What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel where you can learn tech for free on YouTube. Now, this video, I got the Blue Yeti Blackout Edition. This is a PubG sponsored one, so you get a free version of PubG when you buy the microphone. I got this one for a crazy deal. It was only 50 bucks. It's the full-size version of the Blue Yeti, right? It is the Blackout Edition. It's an amazing microphone. I'm actually going to do a whole review type of video on it after this one, so be looking on the channel for that. But this video, we're going to basically show you how to claim your free version of PUBG when you buy this microphone. So what we're going to do is we got this little card that came with it, and you just read the directions. First thing you have to do is download and create a Steam account. If you don't know what Steam is, or you don't have Steam, it's just basically a game launcher, right? So let's go ahead. I already have it downloaded. I'm probably gonna make another video on how to download it, but it's not that hard. It's just another program. Just download, install it. I'm gonna put a link below for the Steam download. Okay, but once we do, let's open it up. Now, I already have an account, but all you gotta do is create one, put an email and a password, and you're good to go. They have these different news things. You can just skip them, close that out. But once you're here, this is what it looks like. Okay, after this, what we gotta do on the card, it says launch the Steam software, click on the games menu, and then choose activate a product on Steam. And right here is where it says activate a product. So we click that. We're going to type in our product code. I'm going to type mine in, and I'm going to get back to you in a second. Okay, so you type in the code, you click I agree, and click continue. Okay, it says player unknown battlegrounds. Alright, so activation successful. It says your product activation code has been successfully activated. The product or product listed below are now permanently associated with your Steam account. You must log into this account to have access to the items you've just activated on Steam. So what we do is click done. And let's go back to library. And we have PUBG. Now let's click on it, see if it opens up. Then we're just going to install it. Let's click install. Alright. It is 6.39 gigabytes. Next. Click finish. While it's downloading, guys, I'm going to give you a little bit of a rundown on the actual Blue Yeti mic that came with it. This is honestly one of the best mics that you can get, especially for the price point. Right, if you're a YouTuber or a streamer, gaming streamer, anything, I'd honestly recommend either getting a Blue Yeti mic, a Snowball, or something that is better than just a little lavalier mic or a bogus little Rode video mic on the top of your camera. They all kind of suck. You need a real microphone, either a condenser microphone or a USB microphone, to actually get some real killer audio. This thing has 4 different modes that you can use. It's got cardioid, omnidirectional, bidirectional, and stereo. And this is all the different uses that you guys can see for it. They got different ones for podcasts, different ones for gaming, recording vocals. There's all these different things. This cardioid is the one that I usually use. It's just basically where it's recording what's in front of the microphone, just in front of it and a little bit to the sides. Other ones that they have, like the omnidirectional, it's going to record everything around the whole microphone. So if I'm over here and something's behind me, the microphone, it's going to record that and my voice. Say you got an air conditioner over there or a fan that you don't want coming through, then cardioid is the way to go. Bidirectional is really if you're doing like interviews, it's just going to come out of the front of the mic and the back of the mic. So everything on the sides, you're not going to catch any audio. Stereo is another one. This is more for like singing, ensemble choir. It says instruments, vocals, stuff like that. But for the most part, you're probably going to want to use the cardioid if you're doing like talking head videos like myself, or just any type of YouTube or other stuff like that. But overall, guys, for the microphone, I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10 for the price point. But overall, like with every single microphone, I would still give this like a 6 or 7 out of 10. It really does the job, especially like I said, for the price. If you don't got a lot of money to spend, if you want something that's going to be the highest quality for the least amount of dollars, Blue Yeti is probably the way to go. It doesn't have to be the actual Blackout edition. It doesn't have to be the full size edition. They have nano versions. They have other products. I'm going to put other links in the description below for you to take a look at. I'll put the link for this exact one if I can find it. I haven't looked online. I just found this one at Walmart. It was sitting in a clearance thing, and I was surprised nobody picked it up before me. It was only 50 bucks. These things are usually like $120, just the microphone without PubG added to it. So it was an amazing deal. I just happened to catch it and be there when it was. But I think that about does it for this video, guys. If you're new, feel free to subscribe. If this video helped you out in any way, smash that like button and turn on them post notifications so you know whenever I come out with a brand new video. With all that said, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.